Hi, it's me, Markov Yuri, and today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from ZOZO. It's from a video called Veronica Gets Gassy Tilda Dash a Fart slash Diarrhea. It was uploaded 2 years ago on October 12, 2022. The duration of the sound effect is 0:42 to 1:23. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. It sounds like this. See, that's how it sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in. Wait, I have to put on some music so I can poop. Alright, now that the music is on, I am ready to go number 2. I need to use my tummy muscles. I feel so much better now. His sound effect lasted for 41 seconds. Remember kids, when you need to go to the bathroom, just use this sound effect. It starts at 0:42 and ends at 1:23. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.